In this video, we review the Sofi Checking Account. Have you used the Sofi Checking Account before? What was your experience? Leave your Sofi Checking Account review in the comments section below. Did you know that Sofi's checking and savings account offers an annual percentage yield (APY) of up to 4.0% for customers with direct deposit, significantly higher than the national average? Additionally, Sofi provides access to over 55,000 fee-free ATMs worldwide, enhancing convenience for its users. Sofi's checking and savings account has garnered attention for its competitive features. One of its primary advantages is the high APY of up to 4.0% for customers who set up direct deposit, making it an attractive option for those seeking to maximize their savings. Furthermore, the account boasts no monthly fees, no minimum balance requirements, and no overdraft fees, which can be particularly appealing to individuals looking to minimize banking costs. The early direct deposit feature allows users to access their funds up to 2 days sooner than traditional banks, providing added financial flexibility. Additionally, Sofi's extensive network of over 55,000 fee-free ATMs ensures that users have widespread access to their funds without incurring extra charges. NerdWallet. However, there are some considerations to keep in mind. Sofi operates entirely online, which means there are no physical branches for in-person banking. While this suits many tech-savvy users, those who prefer face-to-face interactions might find this limiting. Additionally, some users have reported challenges with customer service, citing difficulties in resolving issues promptly. For instance, a user on Consumer Affairs expressed frustration over prolonged holds on funds and perceived unprofessionalism during customer service interactions. Consumer Affairs. Another aspect to consider is the requirement for direct deposit to unlock the highest APY and other benefits. Without direct deposit, the APY is notably lower, which might not be as enticing for individuals who cannot or prefer not to set up direct deposit. Moreover, while Sofi offers a vast ATM network, depositing cash can be cumbersome, as it involves third-party services that may charge fees. This could be a drawback for users who frequently handle cash transactions. NerdWallet user experiences with Sofi's checking and savings account vary. On platforms like Reddit, some users have expressed satisfaction with the high-yield savings and early paycheck access, recommending Sofi for its convenience and benefits. Reddit, conversely, others have raised concerns about customer service quality and the lack of physical branches, which can be a disadvantage for those seeking personalized assistance. In summary, Sofi's checking and savings account offers several appealing features, including a high APY with direct deposit, no fees, and a broad ATM network. However, potential users should weigh these benefits against the disadvantages.